anger is coming from within. You angry with yourself. Because shit don't go your way. It ain't gonna never go your way. Ain't gonna never go your way if you don't accept yourself for who you are, and you don't see things for what they are, so that you can rise and overcome it and allow yourself to be enlightened. You not angry? Why did you feel the need to even comment that if you don't fit the shoe? You fit in the shoe and you don't even know the size. I mean, hit dogs holler. Or I'm speaking to the soul, right? I mean, however you perceive what I'm saying, don't have nothing to do with me. It has everything to do with you. See what I'm saying? Hit dogs holler. If you wasn't angry, you wouldn't even comment that shit. But peace be with you. I love you, for you know not who you are or who you're dealing with. Hit dogs holler. Roof, roof. Ooh, ooh. See what I'm saying? Motherfucker ain't even know the size of the shoe and fit it. You know? It goes to show you, like, people be butthurt when you call them out on their bullshit. Try to defend themselves because they have this victim mindset, feel the need to defend themselves. See what I'm saying? You won't allow things in that are going to help you. So you play the victim because you feel attacked, because you have been brainwashed and manipulated into attacking yourself. You have been attacking yourself your whole existence. You always feel a need to explain yourself and try to move the goalposts and basically try to get people to agree with your foolishness, your nonsense. And when you don't get your way, you're seeking validation outside of yourself. When you don't get your way, you become upset and mad at everybody else for not buying into the bullshit reality that you created for yourself. That's your reality. That's what you want to believe. That's what you allow into your existence. They ain't got nothing to do with nobody else. See what I'm saying? Ain't got nothing to do with nobody else. The way you think and the way you move and what you believe. See, it's very strange how they get mad when you don't agree with them, seeking validation outside of themselves. They get mad when you expose that shit, that bullshit reality that they are living, that they are deceiving themselves. Much gratitude, love and light, beautiful souls. They gonna be mad because they really mad at themselves. Cause you hold the mirror up to them. When you walking like the goddess you are, you walking like the God you are, walking in your power, loving on yourself authentically, unconditionally, oh yeah, they gonna hate. You carry big energy. You love who you are. You carry big energy, they gonna hate. Because they know you can see them for who they are. Of course they gonna hate. Try to piss you off and dim your light. Because when your light shine, when you get around low vibrational beings, oh, it's a fucking big ass light. It's like Rosh shining. It's a big ass light. They butt naked. Of course they gonna hate on that. And they trying to throw them clouds. They trying to cloud your judgment. You see? Like the oppressors. See, every time Ra shining bright, they want to throw them clouds because the sun allows you to see vividly. See what I'm saying? It allows you to see vividly. You are the sun. See, they get mad when you shine that light on them. That's why I always say, don't let nobody cloud your judgment like the haters do with Ra. But the sun is in us. They can never block the sun because you are the sun. Shay, you are the sun. They can never block it because we got a direct connection to the sun. The sun is in you. We got a direct connection. They try to block the shine. They try to block the shine, but they can't block the energy. The inner God within you. That's what I see. You see all these clouds? That's hate. That's hate. All these clouds? That's hate. See, their time is up. See, because with this energy that's coming in, with this energy that's coming in, it's basically taking up all the oxygen from in this realm on this planet. It's taking in all the oxygen and replacing it with hydrogen. See what I'm saying? That energy that you feel, that's that dark matter energy, that's that hydrogen coming on in. So they have to put more clouds than you ever seen in the sky, because they got this much air to breathe. See them clouds? That's how they breathe on this planet that's not theirs. See what I'm saying? So they gotta do that. So you're gonna be seeing more and more and more clouds the higher we vibrate. But see, that shit gonna be dissolving more and more faster too, because we rising, we waking up. It's gonna be dissolving more and more faster. That's why they gotta keep on pumping them clouds, because they ain't gonna be able to breathe. That's why so many of them building them bunkers. See what I'm saying? Because they ain't gonna be able to breathe. See, they hating. They don't want you to breathe in that hydrogen. The hydrogen is coming in at a massive rate. Just by you breathing the hydrogen is gonna awaken you. So they hate and they trying to keep you from, you know. That's why they poison everything about us. The mind, the mental, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. You gotta take your mind back, create your own reality. See what I'm saying? That's why you have to know who you are. You are a creator. Take your power back. We unplugging from this matrix. Let it crumble. If you do not disconnect from this matrix, you will go down with it. And like a lot of our people, they are going down with the matrix. See what I'm saying? But that's a part of their lesson you have to understand. It's a part of the healing process of the collective. If you choose not to heal, that's your free will. You have to allow them to receive their karma. You have to allow them to learn their lesson. If you ain't learned yet, you're going to learn today. You have to allow them to learn their lesson. Ain't no such thing as death. We never died. And it just we are energy. And it just get transferred. You got to see them as energy. I know a lot of shit. A lot of people about to be on their way out of here. A lot of people about to be dropping like flies. A lot of your family members. A lot of your family members, a lot of your friends, they about to be dropping like flies. See what I'm saying? And you gotta accept it for what it is. They don't hold the vibrational frequency of love. They are you. See what I'm saying? It is greater than just you and I. You have a mission. You must tap into who you are. You have to walk your own path. We are healing. We are purging. Mother has to get rid of everything that does not serve the highest good of the collective. They are operating out of hate for self. Parasitic energy. All the parasites are getting out here. That's why it's getting hotter and hotter. That's why it's getting hotter and hotter. That's the healing process. If you operating on a hateful vibration, if you putting out all this negative energy, you're not gonna be able to take the sun. If you're not a loving being, and if you're not for unity, if you ain't basically embodying the energy that's within you, the source of power that's within you, that God energy, whatever you want to call it, the universe energy that's inside of you, if you don't take responsibility of being that you are and accountability, then it's gonna destroy you. You fell for the enemy's tricks. This whole system was designed for you to destroy yourself. And majority of the people on this planet is doing such. So they got to get out of here. We building new earth. You'll see them. You'll see them later. When they meet the frequency. When they learn their lesson. That's why you have to allow yourself to be enlightened and uplifted. You have to love yourself. Be that you are. We came here to be. We didn't come here to be like others. See what I'm saying? We didn't come here to be like everybody else. You are your own unique being. See, they taught us to be like everybody else and follow this one, follow the trend, do what they doing. That's going against your nature. You are a creator. You are amazing. You are greatness. That's going against who you are. That's self-hatred when you are pretending to be something that you are not. That's not you. They program you to think the way that you think. They program you to live the way that you live. They program you to eat what you eat. You must take your mind back and create your own reality. Take responsibility of your energy, your inner God. See what I'm saying? If you are not operating, if you are not the narrator of your story, then you are being controlled. See what I'm saying? You got to narrate your own story. That's why they give us scriptures to go by within their Bible. Man-made Bible. See, they had to give you some truth in the Bible. They got a lot of truth in the Bible. They had to give you the truth